Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, you will learn how to create a star rating in Excel. For example, we have a rating of 2 over here. Let's put it as 3.5. You see the stars automatically update. Let's see another example. Instead of 1, I have put it as 4.8. And you see the stars have automatically updated. So let's see how to create it in Excel. We have our data over here where we have the rating. This is the helper cells which we have created. So this helper row will help us calculate the stars. So the first step is we write if this rating and lock the columns is greater than or equal to this helper column and we lock the rows, then return me a 1. So let's see the first part. I have written if this cell is greater than or equal to this row over here, then return me a 1. So this row, I mean when you move here, it will compare with this. When it moves here, it will compare with this. Let us just drag this formula. If you see, up till here, we get 4 because 4 is the rounded down value and the next we get false. So what we want here is 0.3. For example, if I put 2.5, so I want 2.5, so I want 2 here, 0.5 here, and 0, 0 here. So let's see how to achieve it. So we go to our false part and we say if round up this value and lock the column. So round up this value completely and check if it is equal to this value and lock the row. Then return me the modulus of this comma 1. So modulus of this comma 1 would return me the 0.5 value, that is the remainder value. And if it is not, then return me a 0 and close it. Let's see if this works. So if you see, I have 2 over here, I have 0.5 here and 0, 0 here. Let's look at the formula once again. First, I am checking if this value is less than or equal to this values over here, then return me 1. So then it goes to 2 and it says, okay, 1. When it goes here, 2.5 is not greater than 3. So it goes to the second part of the formula, this round up. So it's rounding up 2.5. So rounding up 2.5 means it's rounding up to 3. And then it checks whether it is equal to this number. So it says yes, rounding up 3 is equal to 3. Then return me mod this comma 1. So mod this comma 1 would give me the decimal portion of the value. So that is 0.5 and it is saying 0.5. And the last portion is if 2.5 is not, the rounded up value is not equal to this, then return me 0. So that is why we have 0. If you put it as 5, you get completely 1. If you get 4.5, it says 0. Now the next step is, let us put another product here, product B, put it as 3.3 and let us just drag the formula. So as we have locked our cells, our value updates automatically. So it's, remember, please lock your cells. Next step is you select this, go to conditional formatting, icon sets and select these stars over here. So you see we get stars over here. Next go here, manage rules and do edit rules. In edit rules, first do show icon only. Next select it as number for both. Then say if it is greater than or equal to 1, then return me a full star. And when it is greater than 0, then return me a half star, and I do OK, and I say apply and OK. So now if you see, our chart is completely updated. For example, let's try 2.5, it's updating. For example, 4.5, it's updating. 1.5, it's updating. Next is just select this view grid lines and just remove the grid lines. Let's just adjust the width of these columns, make it a little smaller. Do the same for the last column. You can go ahead and hide this. And this is how you create a rating chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.